Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is the continuation of my previous video on a simple light emitting diode blink display. Today, I'm gonna show you another LED sequence using the previous build circuit. To do this, let us check first the Arduino connection by right-clicking my computer, go to Manage, and then check Device Manager. Then look for ports, then check the Arduino communication port if properly installed. Then open the Arduino IDE or Integrated Development Environment. Once the IDE open, check the board and communication port on Tools. If the setup okay, let's start to create our program. In void setup, let's declare all the pin number that we use in our previous video as an output. Okay, then since we use 8 LED, we declare all the pin number in void setup. Okay, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 7, and pin number 8. And in the void loop, we create our program to animate our LED using for loop. Okay, then let's initialize first the variable is equal to pin number 1, then we put condition I is less than equal to pin number 8, then we put the increment, okay, then I plus plus. Inside the for loop, we set up our digital write, okay, then let's put this as I. Then let's set as high, no? Means, okay, it means turn on the LED. Okay, then let's put delay of 500 milliseconds. Then another digital write. Then let's put the I, since I is a variable, then let's set this as low. Okay, then it means turn off the LED. Okay, then let's put another delay 500 milliseconds. Then let's check to verify our program if there is a error. Let's wait for a while to verify. Okay, since our program has no encountered error, okay, we can now upload our program in Arduino module by clicking the upload button. Okay, then in Arduino module, you see the first sequence that we use, that is a simple running light. If you want to adjust the speed of delay, you can adjust, you can change the value of 500 into 100, then upload again to see the delay changes. Okay, as you can see, the LED will turn on and off in a speed of 10 milliseconds or 0.1 seconds. Okay, again, then let's rewrite this program for another sequence. Example, I changed the value of I equal to 8. Okay, then I change the condition, okay, into if I is greater than equal to 1, then I increment the value. Then let's check first to verify if the programs are correct. Then there is no error, then we can upload the next animation or sequence. Okay, in our next program, as you can see in our Arduino module, okay, the running light will light in reverse format. Okay, then that is a reverse running light. Okay, then another sequence that we can create, the example, let's change again the format. Okay, that is 8. Okay, then I copy this to create another for loop. Okay, I rewrite this. Okay, then next is, since this is the reverse, okay, we create the running light. Okay, that's I is equal to 1. Then let's go back the previous program. Okay, then 8. Okay, then I plus plus. Okay, then let's see what is the output of this program. Okay, let's verify first if there is an error. Okay, then there's no error. We can upload the program in Arduino module. Then let's see what is the output. Okay, then you see the output, running light and reverse running light. Okay, that is our third sequence. Okay, then next is, let's delete this. Then I want to change the condition. Okay, then I is equal to I plus 1. Every time the increment, every time the condition met, the increment 1 plus another 1. Okay, or sorry, 2. Okay, then I is equal to I plus 2. Okay, then every time the condition met, the increment will add 2. Then let's see what is the output of this program. Okay, then okay, there's no error again. Then upload. Okay, as you can see, all the odd number of LED will turn on in this program. Okay, let's adjust the delay to see the animation, then upload. You can see 1, 3, 5, and 7 LED turn on. Then again, that is our fourth sequence. Then let's change this value into 2. Every time the variable start in 2, then every time the condition met, the increment add 2 in our program. Okay, let's see. First, verify. Okay, then let's upload. There's no error. Then as you can see, okay, our LED 2, 4, 6, 8 turn on in this instruction. Again, let's copy this in our fifth sequence of LED. Okay, then let's change the I is equal to 1, then I is equal to 2, then increment by 1, then increment by 2, increment by 2. This is the odd even sequence. Then let's verify first if there's no error. Okay, there is no error. Then let's upload in our Arduino module. Okay, then that is the fifth sequence. That is odd even running light. Okay, if you want to adjust the delay, let's speed up the turn on and off by adjusting the delay. Then let's verify if there's an error. Okay, there's no error, we can upload this program. Okay, then check. Okay, this is an even running lights. Okay, again, that is the fifth sequence that we created. Then the last sequence, then we create the last sequence that is a half running light. Okay, since the half running light has a long instruction, I created, okay, I have a file of half running light. Okay, open this. Okay, then, okay, this half running light. Then this is the program for 6 sequence. Okay, then let's check first if let's verify if there's an error. Okay. Okay, let's wait for a while. The IDE check the program if there's an error. Okay, there's no error. We can now upload the instruction or program in our Arduino Uno. Then let's see what is the output of this program. Okay, as you can see in our output, the running circuit. Okay, then if you learn to this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and push the notification button for some updates. Thanks for watching.